Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas.
So, just so you guys would be aware, I got this from Amazon, and not all of them come like this. A lot of them doesn't come with this Ninja box. It comes with the box that's inside this Ninja box, which I'm going to show you in 1 second. One thing about this thing is heavy, y'all. Not about to say and why. And it's big. So, a lot of times it's going to come like this, which is invasion of privacy to me, because if I get it delivered to my house, I don't want nobody knowing where I got it from. But, you know, that's your personal preference. This is just my personal preference. We have the Ninja Foodi XL. It is an 8-quart, which you probably already saw that, but I'm just here to explain it. Okay? Did not get the 6-quart. I'm an 8-quart girl. Don't like 6 quarts. Too small for me. I like to be able to put a whole entire chicken inside my pressure cooker, slow cooker, whatever it is. And my Instapot Dual Crisp was an 8-quart too, so it only makes sense. This is famous. You know what this is? Everybody loves this. It's a cookbook with recipes. I honestly never really pay attention to these things because I have my own cookbook with my own recipes, but it's good to know how long to cook things when you're under a certain setting. So it is valuable. To know you. So you know how it works and stuff. What I don't see so far is on my Instapot Dual Crisp, it came with like a poster that had different meats and vegetables, and it gave you an idea how long to steam it or cook it for. So I don't see that here. But yes, it has air fry, bake / roast, broil, dehydrate, told you I make bread, saute, steam, slow cook, yogurt. And I've never used this setting before. I need to. The instruction manual. All that good stuff. This is different. Okay. So instead of it being inside, it's outside the machine. Okay. Yeah, a little another rack here. Rack it up. Is that it? Yeah. Ooh. Nothing in here. And nothing left in the box. All right, so I had to bring it to the table. So this thing is really big. Like, is it bigger than my Instapot? We gonna do a comparison. Oh, it's heavy. Y'all. That thing heavy. Wow. She pretty though. Now my main concern is this. Take out these stickers. Sticker makers. Stickers got the knickers. Let me stop. Anyway. If you're new to my channel, I literally just throw things. This is the air frying basket for when you got an air fryer with a stir fry, which, oh, this can't fit in here. Okay. Can this fit? Okay. And then we have this. It's non-stick. I'm not gonna lie, my Ninja. Ha ha ha. Yes, this is a Ninja. My Instapot was stainless steel, so I'm not a fan of this non-stick. Not gonna lie, but Ninja's a better brand overall, so not really mad. So when I cut her on, she's gonna make a lot of noise. But yes, this is the inside. It's 8-core, remember, so it is big in there. My main concern is swishing this. Like, we gonna see. We gonna see. All right, it's officially unboxed and she's ready to go. Let's get it. All right, now that I have this beautiful baby, I'm going to be making these beautiful babies inside of this. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on. Now, what you guys should know is that for steam crisp, it stays in the middle. For pressure, you're gonna put it on the side. And for air fryer / stovetop, you're gonna put it on the other side where it says lift me, and it gives you all of these options. Okay, but today what I will be doing is I'm not doing steam fry. Well, I'm not doing air fry. I'm not doing broil. I'm not doing bake. Dehydrate. I'm not making bread, yogurt, slow cook. Do steam, but I like the steam and bake. So I'm gonna twist the knob to get to steam and bake. And crabs take no time to get ready, so I'm gonna put it on like 4 minutes. It's something about steam and crabs. Now remember, I think I told y'all my countertop, so I have to push this forward to open up the lid. So if you have countertops like this, you might want to reconsider. Me personally, I already knew before I bought this that I was gonna have to do this, and listen, I'm here to do what I gotta do because this is my baby. So now that it's pushed a little forward, I'm gonna take the air frying basket out. We're gonna throw some water in there. 1 cup of water. Season them babies up and hit that start sign. Add some butter. So, y'all know I'm gonna do some obey because I'm black. And that's just what we do with seafood, especially. I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning, some pepper. Those of y'all who don't know, this type of crab has its own taste, so I don't like to over season it because I actually like the taste of the crab. So yeah. All right, we're gonna close this baby. Okay, it's already on steam crisp. So all I have to do is, oh no, it's to be on steam crisp bake, and I have to put it back down to 4. It was on 4 before, but whatever. Then we're gonna press start. Now it is preheating, so I'm gonna let that preheat and then come back to you guys. It says it's preheating. I'm going to take them out because these babies are cooking, okay? They are cooking. They are cooking. So, yeah. I'm going to also insert me cooking something else just to give y'all a good difference between the things that you cook in this pot and the experience that you will get. Okay, so I have my Ninja, and I'm going to be putting this oxtail in the Ninja. Keep in mind, it's already seasoned and fried. So I have my peppers in here. I'm going to be adding 2 cups of water. So now I'm going to add my oxtail. So now I'm going to add a little bit of water so I can get all of the seasoning in the bowl. So I wanted to do this so I could just add it to the pot, okay? We're not wasting nothing. So this is how it's looking. It's looking delicious. This is how it's looking, okay? So now what we're gonna do is we're going to press the on button. Well, first I'm gonna close this. It just looks so pretty. Then I'm going to slide the lid to, as you can see on here, air fry stove top. No, we're not doing that. We're not doing steam crisp. We are doing pressure cooker. And I'm going to be doing it for an hour and 25 minutes. Should do an hour and 20 minutes. Because one thing I realized about this pressure cooker is the preheat takes forever. I'm going to do a comparison video to my Instapot versus this Ninja. Because I really want to try to see what I'm talking about. Like, I love you, Ninja. I really do. But the preheat is, like, crazy. I'm going to see if I can find a way to, like, bypass the preheat. Because, like, this is crazy. But with pressure cook, it's like, you can't. I could bypass it on my Ninja grill, but not on my pressure cooker because the air needs to be, like, sucked in there. So, whatever. It is what it is. So, it is currently 7:14. And it is preheating. So, let's see what time it starts. And it is done. Now, what I don't like about this device is that you see how it automatically just goes on keep warm. Oh, let me show you. It automatically goes on to this keep warm setting, which is like really annoying. So now what I have to do is I have to manually, I don't like that. Press this right here. Make sure I got a good angle. Remember, I gotta bring it forward because of my cabinets also. So, ooh, I be scared, y'all. And then it's gonna let out the steam. But it's currently at 4 minutes now. And the steam is still going. It's getting lighter though. The steam is definitely getting lighter, but I don't know. It's just, I feel like this is just so slow. Like, it's so slow. It's just so slow. Still rolling. Can I slide it? Nope, it will not let me slide it. That sucks. And it shows the lock symbol right there too. So let's see. Let me sort it now. Oh, there it go. Now it will let me. Let's lift it and see. Whew. Oh, hold on. I gotta bring it more forward because I told y'all my counter, cabinets, man, it'd be in the way. All right. Wow, it's like still balling. Let's see. Because I like my oxtails to be falling off the bone. Yes, that's exactly how I like it. All right. At least it did the job. It did the job. Taste it. Let me show you. I want to try to grab one, but it's like literally like falling off of the fork. So I can't like... Yeah, no. This is like the best I could give you, and it's not even a whole oxtail. So yeah, I did a good job with this. Definitely did. I'm proud of myself. And I'm proud of this pot too. It's a good pot. I'm not saying don't buy it, but I'm saying if you're used to Insta, it's definitely a change. So I'll definitely do another cooking video with you guys. Let you see how I handle things. I definitely want to do an air fryer comparison also. So stay in tune with that. If you didn't see my video on my Instapot, go watch that. But I thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video.
Let's cheerio to another video.